Welcome to our video on Worldline online giving. This is the interface that your members and other donors would see when logging in to make a donation. To get started, they'll need to log in with an email address. For new donors, this automatically creates an account for them. Existing donors will be recognized by their email address. For all donors logging in, a link will be sent to their email address. They can click on the link in the email to make a donation. The logo, church name, and contact information showing on this landing page is coming from the information screen in your IconCMO database, so it will be specific to your church. The first section is where donors will enter the amount they want to donate, and then select the fund they would like the donation to go to. These funds will reflect what you have selected in your IconCMO database to be available for online giving. In other words, you can have some funds within your IconCMO database which are not available here for your online donors to choose from. The next section will allow members to choose the frequency of their donations and the date to start donating. They have the option for a one-time gift, as well as a few repeating gift options. The last section is for billing information. Here, they can enter in their billing information if they are a new donor, or edit their existing billing information if they are a repeat donor. The donation can be put on a credit card, debit card, or checking account, depending on what you've signed up for processing. The donor must check the box to authorize and then click Schedule My Giving, or Give Now for one-time donations. This button will not be available to click if any of the required information is missing. The donors will get an email confirmation right away and every time the donation is processed, if they selected a recurring gift option. On the staff side, when logged into IconCMO, open the Contributions menu and click on Funds and Pledges. When you select a fund, you can see the checkbox on the right to choose if that fund will be available in online giving. To import donations into your database, under the Contributions menu, click on the Batches Enter option. In this screen, you will click the Worldline Online Giving Import button to go to the import interface. When it opens, select the date range at the top that you'd like to import and click the Import button. We recommend doing this monthly or twice a month. You can do this as often as you would like, and how often may depend on the number of transactions that you have coming through, what's manageable, and how you want to see it in the reconciliation screen if you're using our accounting module. The top will show all online donations that have come through with names, giving dates, funds, and dollar amounts. The bottom window is all of the IconCMO donors, their donor numbers, and their addresses. For the first import, donors will need to be matched to their IconCMO accounts. Click on the transaction in the top. If there are multiple donations from the same donor, they will all highlight. Then find the associated donor in the CMO list at the bottom. When they are both highlighted, click Match. This way, we're 100% sure that we're giving credit to the appropriate person. If they've got a nickname like Bob for Robert, or if it's a spouse's individual credit card but the donation should get credited to the household, or even people who have the same name, you can manually review their information to make certain the correct donor is getting credit. You'll notice the Matched Donor Number column changed from Unmatched to show the donor number and the name of the donor record in IconCMO. Once someone is matched, the record stays matched, so the next time that they donate and you import that batch, you will not have to match them again. Go through the lists and match all donors to IconCMO donors, and when you are finished, click Create Batch. This will take you back to the contribution entry window, and the batch you just created will be there with the title WL and the dates you chose to import. From here, you can select the batch and open it. You can print the edit list or click on View Edit Transactions to see what's in the batch. You can modify a donation by clicking on the donor number and making any adjustments on the left. An example where you might need to do this is if someone had made a contribution to the wrong fund. You can easily update that for them prior to posting the batch. Don't forget to save your changes. You can close the batch and come back to it later, or you can post the batch. Once you post, you will get your final posting journal report. If you use the accounting side of IconCMO, it will create a journal entry in your GL register to record the deposit. Any transaction fees will also be tracked automatically for you, and that will show in the fee column. The journal entries that are made will add those fees to an expense account and subtract it from the deposit that you see in your bank account, while the donor still gets full credit for their whole contribution. Thanks for watching.